Sorry, I didn't know I was going to work. Right, so before I announce which one out of my category has been awarded tonight, I just want to quickly say a huge well done and congratulations to you all. I mean, the growth in all of you has just been mesmerising. I'm really impressed, and I'm so proud to have this category because it's so strong. And I think that all of you in my category can all look at each other and be like, wow, fair play, I am in one of the strongest categories you've ever seen, like. And I just want to say that this was a really tough decision for me, but at the end of the day, it needs to be narrowed down to one. It's a competition at the end of the day. So whoever is awarded tonight, I really don't want him to give up at all. I want him to keep going because every single one of you are stars. Right, okay, the moment has come. So the person that I'm going to be awarding tonight is Serena. Well done, folks. You've been incredible throughout the day. I'm really proud of you.
Kelly, yeah, I hate this. I gotta be honest, I really hate this. I really love like being a mentor and everything, but this is not a nice part. But like Anya said, it is a competition and it's the name of the game. So it's not personal. I feel like I got such a strong category, and I feel like I've had to base things on tonight because I think everybody stepped up their game. People have really shaken things up. It's not been an easy decision. It's not one that I've taken lightly. And to whoever leaves, the door is always open. We're always there, and we always will be. And previous contestants know that. So the person that I decided to award tonight. Oh, I feel sick. No, I feel sick. Shut up, Joe. I'm going to hit you with my mic. I don't like to make me do this. Is Megan.
This is difficult. I hope everyone realises that, because the standard on there, obviously there's going to be people in the crowd who go, oh, I thought that one went, I thought that. We are the judges and we've got to make our opinion and our decision. That's what we're here for. It is hard. And every single one is fantastic on that stage. Every single one of them. So please can everyone remember this, because it is important. We have a job to do, and we are going out our categories down. So I have made my decision. It was a tricky one, but it is what it is. The act that I've awarded from my category tonight, I'm so proud of how far they've come. Because, what I've seen, everyone's been on different journeys, and everyone's still on different journeys. But I have to go with my gut and what I feel is right for the next stage. It has been so hard, but the act that I awarded from my category this evening is Mira Molly. Round of applause for Mira Molly, guys. Well, I just want to speak to everyone. I want to come to Mira Molly because I want to tell how proud they should be. Girls, honestly, you got chucked together a couple of weeks ago, alright? You got chucked together as a duo a couple of weeks ago, and my God, have you come so far in such a short space of time? So far. You've both shown that you're very talented, right? And honestly, you should be so proud of yourselves because what you've achieved this season, and I know you've found it challenging some weeks and that, but you've enjoyed it, and this is another step in your experience. And just remember, including the other two, Megan and Serena, anything you told you need musically, you only have to contact us, and you know that you're part of a growing network that's there for talent, not just in this process, but after it. And we are there for all of you after this. Anything you need. All right? Well done. Right. I'm going to have to quickly talk to the others now on the stage. So obviously everyone, well done. That was really difficult for us. But it's only going to get harder because another 3 have to be awarded next week. Alright, so the game is getting tougher and tougher and tougher, and you can't imagine what we're dealing with and what we have to go through in there, but it's got to be done, alright? Bring your A game, semi-finals, you pick your own song choice again, alright? So bring your A game and push yourselves, alright? Other than that, that's it. Guys, before we hand it back to Sam to end the night, thank you to everyone who's come down tonight to support all of these, because they're all incredible, and it wouldn't be the search and the network it is without all of you, you know? So everyone stay positive, remember how talented you are, and just keep going, and just keep pushing yourself further, alright? Thank you very much.